besties, look at that bed. Hey, shower. Oh, plus it's white. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Kama Kawa Kamada, and on today's video I'll be taking you on a house tour, and hopefully you're going to like it all. And if you have not yet subscribed to this YouTube channel, please do kindly do subscribe. Nakama you are a lover of house tours, decorations, then this is the best video for you. And like, share, comment and share. Don't skip the ads, besties, as it helps the channel to grow, and also is a way of supporting your favorite YouTuber. Okay, so I don't want to waste a lot of time. I just want to start this video by showing you an house tour of it all. Sijui kama nitaongea kwa background ama I just show you with I just show you the whole place with the background music yenye nitaona ni fiti. I will show you. Let me just start. I love you so much. This is the entrance, and as you can see, there is this peeping hole over there. You can see a visitor akiingia. Yeah, besties, look at the tiling. Boom, ukiingia tu hivo, that's the bed. Besties, look at that bed. Hey, shower. Oh, plus it's white. Oh, I just like what's happening over there. Kuna art, kuna here that lighting, kuna drawer iko hapa, and then this beautiful wardrobe, ceiling above our heads. Kuna hiyo net. Look how big the bed is. Kuna fan hapa. Hapa ndo anafaa kuweka kitu. There's some sockets. Good fun. This lighting over there. Another kitu ka kuwekelea maybe drinks zako ama anything, and it's glass. This look at these curtains. Window curtains. Hey, they're just goals. Alafu hapo hivyo another chandelier. Is this chandelier or chandelier? English isn't my thing so much, so tunangangana nayo. Yeah, besties, I wish you are here and then you touch this. So besties, that's it. Let me just take you on overlook of it. Atuongei mengi, just set kuona venye tu iko. As we enjoy it all. That's it. Tukitoka tunakuja hapa. This is the washroom. And sink, that koga, beautiful mirror, and that's me over here. So just switch on. The toilet. There is a kanini hapo, tube, body lotion, towel, and now that's the toilet. Alafu imegawanywa na this glass. That's the door, shower. With these, that's it. These the washroom parts. Let me just take you on a quick overlook of it. With this, anyway, I just love good, neat place. So next, this is, look at that. This is next we are heading to the kitchen. So there's a fridge imewekwa hapo. Wow, fridge. Tunakuja hivi sasa, uko ndo kitchen, microwave. What's over here? Okay, then there is this cooker. Maneno ya kuvuta hewa, zile suit and everything. Let's say some plates, vikombe pia. Look at that sink, beautiful sink. It's so clean. Huko ameweka nini za kupika. Not over here. Wow, you can see that. Look at that. Then this, it's just goals, my beasties. Kuna dustbin pia. Kuna hapa kuna washing machine. Kama you staying for long in this place, za kuja uoshewe, unaweza osha nguo zako vizuri hapo. And that's the majirani wanakaa hivyo, kuna kaa hivi. The outside part of it inakaa hivyo. Yep. So let's go. Unaweza anika nguo zako hapo. There is this door, soap. This is the kitchen. Lights, the kitchen. And I like these details. Yep. So that's it. After here, fridge. Tunakuja kwa sitting room, besties. Like mimi, these girls, kuna hii carpet iko hapa, coffee table. Let's start over here, besties. Hapa, if you have your babes, you can just sit here and the other one sits there. Meandaliwa vizuri hapa. And hey, kuna tu decorations tuko hapa. Wadau. Nakaa hivyo. Wow, I like it. Wenye iko. It's a very unique one. Alafu next, kuna hiyo meza. That's a Sony TV. That's lighting. Wow, window curtain. Black chairs. These shandaria. Msinininie kwa hapo. I didn't know, like unafungulia hapa, unazima ushamba. Yeah, and I'm like, why are these things hanging? So let's try this other one. Tuone kama ushamba nilikuwa nayo sikuwa najua. Wow. And I'm like, mbona haziwaki? Hey, let me try this once more for proper lighting. That's it, besties. Ish. At least nimelearn kitu, wadau. Nimelearn kitu. You just press that, alafu inawaka. Wow. Niangushe, nivunje. Hey, I didn't know. Hii ni nini wadau, by the way? Just want to see. Okay. Just like a Kadeco. Yeah, that's it, besties. So let me just show you a quick overview of the place. Comment down below and tell me what you like about this place. So let's go to this outside. Wow. And majirani kunakaa hivi, besties. This is a very awesome place. There's some chairs you can relax. That's it, besties. If you liked the place, kindly do comment, share, and like the video. That's the end of this video. Hope you've all enjoyed it. Bye.